Hi guys, how are you doing? And welcome back to my YouTube channel. I've actually just finished preparing porridge, but I did finish that, then went and prepared myself for this introduction. So yeah, I was preparing the porridge for Aiden, and let me tell you something. I am so excited today because our friends are coming over for a visit, and it has been centuries. Not literally centuries, but it has been a while before we got together. I think it's like 4 or 3 months, something of the sort, as in getting properly together, if you know what I mean. Yeah, at least today they're coming over, and I will be cooking their favorite dish, which I will share with you, the recipe and everything. I will actually leave the recipe in the description box. If you're interested, kindly go check them out. And yeah, I am actually so happy because whenever we get together, we get to share a lot, and those are the kinds of friends that uplift you, friends that motivate you, friends that share your vision, friends that are always there. Those are the sorts of friends that you really need to appreciate, and I'm usually so excited whenever they come over. And before I get to do anything, I would like to share with you some few items that I got. Not even few, they're like 2. Number 1 is this grater. Let me tell you something. I can't even remember the last time I had a grater in this house, because the first one that I got, the one that I had, was a tiny one. It was very tiny actually, and it has its end were made of plastic. It had a plastic finishing, and unfortunately it broke. The plastic part broke, and it was so hard to use, so I had to get rid of it. After getting rid of it, I actually didn't buy one instantly. I was always like, I will get one. So this day I was in House of Leather, then I saw this, then I was like, let me just pick this because I don't even have a grater. And its shape is actually what sold me. It is so nice and cute and black, and my favorite color, as you might have realized. I like black. Actually, I do like neutral colors. And yeah, I had to take it because it is so sleek. Really, it is nice, even if you look at it, right? And another thing that I wanted to share with you is this lemon squeeze, orange squeeze. I think both can work. It can work with both, and it's material. This is plastic. The top is plastic, but this one is acrylic. So I took it because it was so small, so tiny, so cute. I just had to take it because I do make oranges in this house almost each and every day, mostly for my son. Because the way the weather is this bad, I ensure that he drinks oranges almost each and every time to help with his immunity. And another thing as to why I took this is because of its shape. If you can see, it is like a fish. It's in a fish shape, right? And yeah, actually fish is my favorite dish. I don't know if you guys have realized. I do love fish so much, and yeah, ugali fish and sukuma wiki, phew, I'm sold. So yeah, that's why I took this one. It is very cute, very tiny. Yeah, so that's why I took it. And they were actually they were so affordable. I got both of them from House of Leather. This was 150, if I'm not wrong. It was around 150. And this, I think this was between 600 to 550. I'm not really sure of the exact price, but I think it was ranging between the 500, 550, 600. I'm not sure, around there, or even around there. I don't want to give another amount, but I think that was the price that it was going for. So yeah, I had to take these ones, and I'm so happy about it. At least now I have a grater. I didn't have one. So yeah, guys, those are the things that I wanted to share with you. And see my nails the way they are. They're actually, you see, these three, 1, 2, 3, the first three came out like yesterday. This one just came out like yesterday because, you know, I do use a lot of water, and actually their time is up. I've had them for like almost a month, if I'm not wrong. And these ones came out yesterday, and this one came out just today, and I can't even remember when this one came out, but I'm not going to dwell much on that because I have work to do today. So yeah, I think I will take care of these ones sometime later, maybe tomorrow but one. Now what? Now let's go organize the living room. For the kitchen, I will not be doing that because it's not dirty. You know, I usually do my I usually do my dishes at night and then clean the kitchen at night. I do that so that whenever I wake up in the morning, at least I wake up in a clean kitchen, so that my mood is like lifted. You understand? So yeah, I did the dishes last night. The kitchen is very clean. Apart from the breakfast dishes, which I'm not going to do, I think I will be doing them as I cook. So multitasking, right? So yeah, that is what I will do. The living room needs to be, I need to vacuum the seats because I had removed the covers and the cushion covers, to wash, and I put them back last night, but you know, there are just some particles, fiber particles that I need to vacuum. So I will vacuum the seats, vacuum the carpet, then the living room will be ready, so that I get to the kitchen and start preparing the dishes. I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up, and yeah, let's get into the video.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
So guys, I kind of had to change the outfit that I had on while doing the introduction because it's a bit cold, and actually these seats have quite a lot of work of vacuuming. I know I'll have to spend a substantial amount of time while doing that because there's no shortcut, and I feel like I've had my fair share with these seats. I love them and everything, but I feel like the color is not for me anymore. And I hope you remember a video that I did about a month or so ago, where I got to delve into some aspects about me. So for these seats, I remember I told you we used to live in Meru. I don't know if you remember, because I worked there, and my work was a little bit hectic, that I barely had time to shop for anything or physically go to the shop and check some things out. So mostly I shopped online, and everything used to come from Nairobi actually. So basically my husband shopped for almost everything because his job was flexible enough. You know guys, we ended up having everything in brown: the seats, the coffee table, the TV cabinet, the bed. You can also see that wall art. I mean, almost everything. And I didn't have a problem with that, but eventually we did realize that we were having items in almost the same shade of color. And I think wanting to make a difference around the house and create a different mood within the house made me to really love interior designing. And at least I'm finally getting the feeling that is so appealing, the feeling that I've always wanted. Even though it is a gradual process, but at least we are headed there.
Today's gonna be a good day. Wake Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted, you've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head, I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test, I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
So if I play dead, will you regret everything that you did, that you said? I don't think you understand what you're doing, and my heart's black and blue from the bruising. I feel like when I'm with you I'm losing. I feel like you think that this amusing, sitting there gaslighting and confusing. Was it me? Is it me? Am I deluded? I'm the one who's always sorry, the conclusion. Even though I offer all of the solutions, I wish you loved me like I love you, it's stupid. When I'm alone with you I never feel lucid. I wish I wasn't struck by Cupid. I wish when I first saw you I knew this. When I'm with you I feel so useless, I feel diluted, my heart's been wounded. Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, baby you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed, thinking something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me? I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday.
So guys, finally I'm done with that. Cleaning can be very hectic sometimes, but we got to do it anyway. So I want to cook chapati because everyone else loves them apart from me. I don't like chapatis. And I will also be making some chicken stew and vegetable rice. I was also supposed to make some beef, but I think we'll do that tomorrow lunch. And guys, my recipes are normally so simple and are usually so easy to follow because I use very few spices. I can say close to none. I kind of don't use spices at all. I will leave all the recipes in the description box. Although I remember I had done one for Kienyeji chicken a while ago, but I think there's no harm in repeating. So yeah, I think in between I'll be doing the dishes so that they don't accumulate in the sink, because once I'm done cooking I don't think I'll come back to this kitchen.
Eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
So guys, I think I'm done, and I actually didn't realize that the video would end here, because by the time I was finishing the rice, they had arrived, and I had to rush to the shower really fast. Yeah, anyway guys, thank you so much for joining me and for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, kindly give it a thumbs up, and I will see you in my next one.